Hey everyone, it's Lindsay from My Crafty Plans. Today I'm going to be rewind planning, thing-a-day planning the month of October in my Erin Cauldron. I've got a bunch of washis pulled out and this really awesome, cute foiled kit from M Crystal Prints. This is with gold foil and it's like a fairly large kit. I don't tend to use like a ton of things in here from during these because it is a rewind, but I do love how she's done the holidays as like boxes foiled. It's so cute. And it's got like a decent amount of foiled. It comes with foiled date dots, which is great. So I'm really excited to try this out. The only thing is it doesn't have a deco-y sidebar, so I'll probably be doing some washi and deco type stuff. So we will see. This is going to be a voiceover, so I'm going to throw it over and jump in. So October was another fun month. It was like pretty chill. We actually had a lot of visitors this month. So my parents came in and then my husband's parents came in. So we had some fun visitor time. They actually came in like pretty close together in the middle of the month. And then it's just really funny. I feel like doing these, I love how they turn out, but like I like the beginning of the month by the time that I do these feels like so far away. Like I have like down on here on one of the days like that my son started crawling, and now at this point it's like, you know, mid-November, and I feel like he's been crawling for like literally ever. So it's just kind of funny, like looking back on the month, especially with really little kids, like how much changes over the course of a month. But which is one of the reasons I love having these in here. And I've been like doing little envelopes of pictures and like clipping them to the month so that when I save this planner, like once it's all full, it'll have like a bunch of pictures clipped in it as well. Anyway, I'm using some of the deco boxes to fill out the stuff that is like not in a week. I just think this kit is so pretty, and I really like that these kits are huge. I did not use like all of the stuff, but I just thought that this was such a pretty fall, like soft colors, and it's like very like light oranges and pinks, and anyway, I'm just really feeling it for this month. And I grabbed those are Simply Gilded washis, the hearts are the Planner Sophisticate collab, and the orange are just one of the fall pre-sales, and I used this to mark like the two sets of visitors we have. So the first one is for when my parents were here, and the second one was for when my mother-in-law was in, and I just put boxes over that to do that. And then I started by going day by. Actually, I'm going to put the date dots down first. Okay, this is actually like my third attempt trying to record this voiceover. I am not going to say where the character stickers are from because it's like too much to say. So everything is linked in the description below. And if you have any questions about where something specific is from, just let me know in the comments, and you can like let me know what day you want to know, and I will be happy to tell you that in the comments. It's just I cannot like say everything as quick as the camera is going, so I am just gonna give up on trying. But let me know if you prefer me to just say where things are from, and maybe I can try and slow it down more next time. Anyway, on Monday we just had like some fun family time, so I didn't really have anything specific, so I just marked that down. On Tuesday I had my really super awesome collab plan with me. My Harry Potter collab plan with me came out, so I wanted to mark that in with some of my planner friends. Super cute. And that video, if you haven't seen that video, definitely go check it out. On Wednesday, my daughter decided she wanted to be a ghost for Halloween and started her like obsession with ghosts that has like continued into November. Anyway, on Thursday, the Quibbler podcast was back from its long hiatus, and I was super excited about that. On Friday, as per usual, we just had a really fun mom life day with the kiddos, pretty much every Friday. That is what I write down. Anyway, on Saturday, I went to a meetup at the Erin Cauldron store. I met Erin Cauldron. There were awesome swag bags. It was really fun. And then on that Sunday, I wrote down that my son could officially crawl, although like he had like started to crawl before that point, but he was like officially a crawler at that point. And that first crawl is from like the baby sampler on Scribble Prints Go. I will just say that, those foiled samplers, which are really cute. So I just used that milestone sticker, even though it's not technically the first crawl, but it's been like a sliding scale of learning how to crawl. And at this point, he's like a pro at it. Anyway, on that Tuesday, I just had like a really awesome, like you married the right person moment where my husband did really something very sweet. So I just wanted to mark that in. And then on the 10th began some work drama. So I grabbed one of those on fire stickers from Paper and Milk, which I'm like so obsessed with those, like just really so obsessed. Anyway, on Thursday, I spoke at length to my work mentor, who was also my friend, and she was just like super helpful and so amazing. And then my parents were also in, so I marked a family time for that, and then grabbed a movie marquee because we went out to the movies, had so much fun. We saw Venom. It was great. And also just love going to the movies, and we hardly ever get to do that. So I marked that down on Sunday. And then on Saturday. On Sunday, we did some gardening. And then I had another work thing to mark down on Monday. And Tuesday was picture day at my daughter's school. And then Wednesday, the weather really flipped and was very, very cold. So I marked that fall weather down with a flat lay from Toffee Bananas. On Thursday, I mailed my giveaway winners their Happy Mail. Yay. And that was from my big YouTube Instagram giveaway for my milestones. And on Friday, we had another super fun mom and kiddos day. On Saturday, we ran into a random dog party at the Domain, and it was amazing. And there was 1 million dogs there, and it was really, really fun. And then on Sunday, we had a baby Halloween party, and at that point, my mother-in-law was in as well. And then on Tuesday, we just had like a super lazy day after all of our visitors and like a really some busy couple of weeks. On Wednesday, I voted. On Thursday, we finished The Handmaid's Tale. On Friday, everybody got their flu shots. Well, I guess the kids got their flu shots. And then on that Saturday, we finally made it to the farm, which we had been trying to do for 3 weeks, but it had like literally just been raining the entire time. So every weekend. So we couldn't go. But anyway, we had a really fun day at the farm. On that Sunday, we did some more gardening. And then everybody slept super, super poorly. And I just had a very miserable Monday. And then on the 30th, we finished Sabrina, The Chilling Adventures of Sabrina on Netflix, and I have one last big work thing to mark. That's actually for Halloween, but I just like kind of stuck it over there. And then my camera cut out at the end while I was doing my washi banner. Sorry about that. The window is from Toffee Banana Doodles, and all of the washi is from Simply Gilded. And I am just going to quickly fill this out. I love how these spreads turn out. I think they're like so pretty. This kit is so gorgeous. I just think that the window is really fun with like the washi banner, although I do prefer a deco sidebar, but I had plenty of washis that matched this kit since it was such soft colors and it had some lovely pinks in it. But yeah, so that is pretty much everything for this video. I'm just going to finish filling this out. Let me know if you prefer me to say what I did or where things are from. It's a little bit hard to say both. I know I mentioned a couple of stickers, but again, ask me if you have any questions about where something is from. And I'm just going to finish up with some Hello Petite paper deco, and then that is it. Okay, that is everything all finished up. I think this looks so cute, although I did get a little bit sloppy with the handwriting at the end, which is fine. I tried my best, but I was getting kind of tired and I just wanted to finish it. Anyway, I used a Pigma Micron 03 to write everything in. Let me show you what I have left from the kit. It is, as I suspected, quite a good deal because although I did use a bunch of the functional boxes, but I even have one of these deco-y boxes I could have used. Oh, well, I will save that and use that somewhere else in my planner or gift it along. I do love the fall vibes of this, and that is everything. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd love it if you'd subscribe and check me out on Instagram at mycraftyplans to keep up with everything going on in my planners. Bye!